Ugh, this is heavier than it looks. Oh, hello there.
Do you need a hand with that box?
Hi. Yes, that would be great. It's much heavier than it looks. No problem. Let me get the door for you.
Well,
Phew. Thank you so much. That was a struggle.
no, explain it, have him.
You're welcome. Are you moving in?
Yes, I just moved here.
Yes, just today. I'm Emma, by the way. I'm in apartment 4B.
Nice to meet you, Emma. I'm Tom. I live right across the hall in 4A. Welcome to the building.
Thank you. Sorry about all the boxes in the hallway. I'll clear them soon.
Please, don't worry about it. We've all been there. Where did you move from?
I moved from a small town about 2 hours away.
Oh, welcome to the big city then. What brings you here?
A new job. I'm a chef. I just started at a restaurant downtown.
A chef? Wow. That is dangerous for me. I love eating way too much.
Well, maybe I can share some leftovers sometime. What about you, Tom? What do you do?
I'm a student. I study art history at the university.
Art history? That sounds fascinating. Very different from cooking. It is.
Well, I have to run to class now, but it was really nice meeting you.
Anytime. By the way, if you don't feel like cooking... Hi. Beautiful day, isn't it?
It really is. Perfect for a walk.
Do you come to this park often? Often?
Almost every Saturday. Ah. How about you?
This is actually my first time here. It's lovely. Is it called Sunnyside Park?
Yes, that's right. Do you live nearby? Welcome to the neighborhood. What do you usually do on weekends?
Yes, I just moved to an apartment 5 minutes away. I like exploring the city, reading, and watching movies.
Nice. Nice. What kind of movies do you like?
I love comedies and romantic movies. And you?
I'm a big fan of animation. My favorite is Coco. Ugh.
Oh, I know that one. The Boy Who Loves Music. It's a beautiful movie. Exactly.
Speaking of music, do you like listening to music?
Yes, mostly pop and jazz. What about you?
I listen to live from seats it came. I listen to a lot of rock and tango.
Tango? Tango? That's interesting. Do you know how to dance tango?
Not yet, but I signed up for a beginner class at the community center.
Really? I've always wanted to learn. When is the class? When is the class?
It's on Wednesdays at 6 p.m. at Patchouli Trotafrumraid.
That sounds fun. I'd love to.
You should come. The first lesson is open to everyone.
You just need comfortable shoes. Great. We could grab a coffee afterward. Hello there.
Your little dog is very brave. She's barking at Buddy like she's a lion.
Hi. Yes, she definitely has small dog syndrome. She thinks she is bigger than she actually is. Her name is Bella. She's cute.
This is Buddy. He is huge, but he wouldn't hurt a fly. He's very gentle.
He looks like a big teddy bear. Hi, Morty. I'm Emma, by the way. Me.
A pleasure to meet you, Emma. I'm David.
Nice to meet you, too. I like that we're coming. Do you come to this park often?
Almost every morning. It's the best way to start the day before I head to the bakery.
Oh, do you work at a bakery?
Actually, I own the David's Bakery in the town center. I'm a baker.
No way. I'm a chef. I just started working at the new Italian restaurant downtown.
Really? A chef and a baker meeting in the park?
Exactly. We both love food too much.
So, apart from cooking, do you have any hobbies?
I love reading and watching old movies. What about you?
I try to grow my own vegetables in my garden. Fresh ingredients are key, right?
I'm so jealous. I live in a small apartment, so I can only grow herbs on the windowsill.
Herbs are a great start. Basil and mint are essential. It looks like Buddy is getting hungry. He's pulling me home.
Bella looks tired too.
I definitely will. Have a good day, David.
It was lovely meeting you and Bella. You should stop by the bakery sometime.
You too, Emma.
Excuse me. Is this seat taken?
No, it's free. Please, go ahead.
Thank you so much. It's impossible to find a table today.
It is very busy, but the coffee here is the best in town, so it's worth the wait.
So you please.
I agree. I'm Marco, by the way.
Hi, Marco. I'm Emma. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too. Are you on your way to work?
Yes, I work at the Italian restaurant down the street. I like to have a quiet coffee before the chaos in the kitchen starts.
Oh, do you work in the kitchen?
Yes, I am a chef.
A chef? That explains why you know good coffee. That sounds like a tough but rewarding job. It is. I love creating food. And what about you?
I am an architect. My office is just around the corner.
Oh, an architect. Do you design houses?
Yes, mostly modern, eco-friendly houses.
It requires a lot of creativity, just like cooking. True.
So, since you are an architect, is drawing your hobby?
Sometimes. But my main hobby is hiking.
A chef who paints.
You are very artistic, Emma. I suppose so.
Since you are a chef, I have to ask, what is your favorite food to eat?
That is a hard question, but I think I could eat fresh pasta every day.
Me too. Maybe I should visit your restaurant sometime.
You definitely should.
Well, I need to get to the restaurant now.
Me too. My break is almost over. It was very nice to meet you, Marco.
You too, Emma. Have a great shift in the kitchen.
Thanks. Enjoy your day. Bye.
The teacher...
The teacher is a little late, isn't she?
Yes, I was starting to worry I was in the wrong room.
Me too. But my confirmation letter says Studio 4.
Mine too. So we are definitely in the right place.
Good. Good.
I am Dari.
I'm Leo, by the way.
Hi, Leo. I'm Emma. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too. Is this your first time taking an art class?
Yes, it is. I admit, I am a little nervous. I haven't painted since high school.
Don't be nervous. We are all beginners here. It will be fun.
I hope so. What do you do for work, Leo?
I'm a programmer. I sit in front of a computer screen all day.
Oh, very technical.
So you wanted a break from technology?
Exactly. I wanted to do something with my hands that isn't typing code.
What about you, Emma?
Yes. I'm a chef. I work at an Italian restaurant.
A chef? Wow. Cooking is already an art form, isn't it?
It is creative, but it's also very loud and stressful. I wanted a hobby that is quiet and relaxing.
That makes sense. Painting is definitely quieter than a kitchen.
Definitely. By the way, do you have any pets? Yes, I have a small dog named Bella. She's full of energy.
I have a cat named Luna. She's very independent.
Ah, so I'm a dog person and you're a cat person.
We are opposites, but I think we'll get along fine.
I think so too.
Huh?
Oh, look, the teacher is here. Finally. Ready to paint?
Ready as I'll ever be. Let's go.